Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel, Septeria18. I have a project share in this video. This will be part one, and I want to share with you this really lovely little slim journal with flippy tuck spots that I made. And then I'm going to do a part two with the step-by-step tutorial on how I put the slim journal together. It's a really lovely journal. I originally made it as like a folio folder with the flippy tuck spots, but then I decided I'm going to add some pages in here to also add them into the folder to create a slim journal to add into the cover, so there is somewhere for me to write. And then I have all of the extra flippy tuck spots and an extra pocket where I can put another journal in here as well if I wanted to do that. So I thought I'd show you what I've made, and then I'll do the tutorial in part two if you also would like to make one of these. And what I realized after I made this is you can actually make this with one piece of 12 by 12 single-sided paper as well to create the cover, and then you can add your pages to create the journal as well. So that's one great thing about this journal. But I made this one using my paper scraps. I have a lot of scraps of papers that are really good sizes to create the journal. So I thought I'll just put a few together and then make it into a journal. And then I realized, excuse me, with the measurements, you can actually make it with one piece of 12 by 12. Just one piece of the papers, you just need to trim it down a little bit, and then there's still no wastage. But let me show you the inside, and then I'm looking forward to sharing with you how I put this together as well. So it is a little interactive little journal. So in the front here, I added one of my digitals. Really, excuse me, I have a really dry throat. So I do apologize. So here on the front, I added one of my digitals that I'm just about to finish, just still tweaking it a little bit, just still trying to get the sizes and everything right before I add it to my Etsy store. But I thought this would be perfect to add to the front of the cover, and I'll just show you some more of the ones that I've made, and these will also be added into my store. So these are a few more that I made. I think I'm going to call it flat portrait flowers. I still haven't decided what I'm going to call the kit, but these are the ones that I made, and these are great because you can add these to your front of your mini journals like I have. You can keep adding more and more layering to the embellishment. You can use this as a tuck pocket, side pocket in your journal pages. This would be a great way to finish off greeting cards. You can just place this on a card and it's ready to go. So these are just a few that I've made, and there is this one. And I'll just show you a couple of the printables. So this is the one of the pages that I've made with all of the beautiful flowers. And then this is one of the background papers as well that will be in the kit. So I've just got a little bit more to do, and I'm really hoping to get the kit listed in my Etsy store. Hopefully in a week or so. I will keep you updated when my digitals will be available. But they're lovely designs that I've made. But we'll get back to the slim journal. So that's the cover. And when you open up over here, there is a long side pocket where you can add a note card that you might want to make. I just cut this into a strip that will fit in here and added a file tab. Single-sided paper, so there's a place that you can do some notes or journaling. You can add another little front pocket here to add another tuck pocket for some ephemera pieces. And so I just made that to fit in here. This is another digital postcard that I've made as well. So I place that in there, and that fitted perfectly. And this part here is the slim journal part. So this is the signature. I didn't add a lot of papers, but you can keep adding more and more of your own pages and whatever you like to the cover. I used some tea stained paper that I tea dyed, and just a few pages. I've also added a book page, a tea stain cupcake liner, and that opens up this way. And I had some embossed piece of paper laying on my desk, so I thought I'll just add this in here. And then I did add some washi tape to the middle. I should have added some glue to the back of the washi, because sometimes washi tape doesn't stick very well. But I just added that to the spine of the middle part of the journal. This is the other side. That's the book page that opens up, so there's more room to do some writing. And you can open it that way. So that's the signature in here. So a little mini spot to do some writing. And over here is a back pocket. And in the back pocket, I'm making another journal in here. I haven't put it together, but all I done was had a paper and fold it in half. That will fit inside the back pocket. And I'm going to add some more tea stain paper in there as well to create the mini journal, and they'll just go in there like that. So I'm thinking of adding some more pages in here. So I haven't finished this yet, but I just want to show you that you can fit this in here. And with this pocket, you can glue down the side here and the bottom, so you just have a top loading pocket at the back. But I like being able to have that extra opening, so if I have anything a little bit bulky, there is room to just slide it in that way, and it just gets tucked in there. And I like the way that it peaks up at the top. So I have more thicker things or tags, I can just slide it in through the side like that. So that part's done. And over here is a flip page, and you can again do whatever you like here. You could add a couple of little mini envelopes to create some more ephemera pockets to hold some ephemera pieces. I added a file tab here just to decorate the edge. You can use a ruffled fabric here on the edge. You can do so much with this part of the flip page. So that's the flip page. And then I made one of my favorite little pockets here, which I've made a few times in my other previous projects. And it was just a good little spot to add a long tag. And these are such great pockets. You can make these in any width, any height. Use your paper scraps. You only need 2 little pieces of strips of paper. I added a vellum to create the front piece, so it sort of creates a little window to be able to see what's in the pocket. I did a bit of embellishing just to the front, just to pretty that up. So I could have made a longer, I was going to make a longer pocket to make a longer slim tag, but I had these scraps which was enough to make this side, and it was just a great way to cover the single-sided paper as well. So just done that. And these are the 2 flippy tuck spots, and I've got a paper clip here to hold the side pocket so that your tags or whatever you have in your pocket sort of don't slide out, and it just sort of holds it in place up here, and it also decorates that top part. So so I'll just take that out. So that's your side pocket. And then on the other side, I've added another little front tuck pocket for another tag. So that's the back. I could put another one in the front if I wanted to, and add another pocket in the front and then the side here. So you'll have 3 pockets. So you could do that. So that's that. And that goes up there. And then here is another flippy tuck pocket. And I also held another paper clip to hold this side so it wouldn't slide out, and just did a little cluster embellishment with some of my fabric little pieces, and that looked really nice dangling onto the edge there. And this is the same, it just slides out for another tag. And I didn't do anything to the front or back of the flippy tuck pocket, but you can also do the same and add another pocket here and back in the front to add more make it more interactive and fun, because I love little tuck pockets when you open your pages and you find out, oh, there's another pocket. So that's your flippy pages. And then this is the part where I had that book at the back. And you can also here do whatever you like here. You can decorate it. You can add another larger library style pocket here to add more spaces, to add some more of your tags or note cards. But I just wanted to show you the slim journal with the flippy tuck pockets first, and then I'll be back for part 2 and share with you how to put this together, and hopefully you'll join me with that tutorial. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.